Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open YouTube and sign in so changes apply to your account and device. Once signed in, make sure the app is up to date. Outdated versions can move or hide settings. While still on the home screen, understand why. YouTube's internal Do Not Disturb and your phone system D&D both stop alerts. First actionable step. Tap your profile icon in the top right to access account-level settings where notification controls live. You now open Profile, then Settings, and select Notifications to see all YouTube notification toggles. Once there, locate Do Not Disturb or Scheduled Quiet Hours. Toggle it off so alerts are allowed. You should also review each type: subscriptions, recommended content, live streams, and comments, and enable the ones you want. Do this because granular choices let you stop only unwanted alerts while keeping important ones active. Make sure to save or confirm changes if prompted. Once done, test notifications by triggering an event like a comment or a new upload from a subscribed channel so you confirm settings work. If you still see no alerts, make sure your phone's notification permissions allow YouTube and that the System Do Not Disturb schedule is disabled. Also restart the app and device, clearing the app cache or reinstalling fixes corrupted settings. Key troubleshooting tip. Check both YouTube's internal DND and your device-level DND.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.